So I wanted to make a quick video for you to talk about being a fellow Shiba Inu holder. Okay. And I want you to not give up. But there's a larger message here. I don't want you to give up on crypto at all. And I want you to know that I get it and that owning Shiba Inu, owning meme coins right now is hard. It's tough. I own a lot of meme coins and I am down in what I own in meme coins. I'm pretty much across the board down because the meme coin space has been beat up like crazy as of recent. Now, the way you lose is when you sell, if you sell for a loss, right? Now, you have to do what's right for you, but I am not selling my Shiba Inu or my Dogecoin or my Brett right now because I'm not going to sell and take a loss because I know fundamentally at the end of the day that they will come back and they will go up and I'm not worried about them, okay? And I want you to know you're not alone. I want you to know that I get it, okay? And the only way that you let them win, who's them? The powers that be out there, the people out there that want you to sell and all those kind of narratives and those themes is when you sell and you take a loss. So don't let your panic or your emotions step in and take over. But I really wanted to kind of share with you that, like, look, across the board, Shiba Inu's down 1% or excuse me, up 1%, but it's down 7.7 on the 7-day and it's down 25% on the 1 month. Okay. All right. But if you look at the overall meme category, if you don't always do this, the meme category is right now a $66 billion market. The entire meme coin category is a $66 billion. It's been as high as $130 billion. So it's 50% down. The entire meme coin space is down over 50+%. And obviously a lot of coins are down even more than that, right? I mean, I'm way down in my Brett. I'm okay in my Doge. I'm okay in my Shiba Inu. I'm a little upside down on my Pepe and so forth. I do own a little bit of Trump. I did buy a lot, only a couple $1,000s worth. I bought a little bit of a Melania. I'm down in those. But again, I'm not worried about them long-term because I kind of have a buy and hold strategy for them, right? I'm not really overly worried about them. Now, if Shiba Inu is all you own and you're down again, like 25% in the last month, I get it. I want you to know I get it. But if you don't have to sell and take a loss, then don't. I mean, it just comes down to that, right? I think that ultimately the message I want you to walk away from with this video is that the meme coin space will come back. It will, because hundreds of millions of retail investors left the crypto space and went away. I've showed this chart before. It's pinned on my Twitter, my X account. By the way, there's a link in the description below. Go over to X and give me a follow because I do post different types of content on there during the day, all about keeping you updated and let you know what's going on with crypto. But the blue line here is retail investors, and you and I are retail investors. And in December of 2024, last month of last year, look at this blue line, how it crashes down. Let me show you that, how it crashes down. It continues to crash down. Boom. And what is that? That's retail investors, panic, emotion, fear, uncertainty. They left. They did. And a lot of them left meme coins because a lot of retail investors own meme coins. And I think there's nothing wrong with meme coins. I love meme coins. I love them for the community aspect, things of that nature. But it's not everything I am invested in. I own more Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP and XLM and Cardano and all of that combined than I own in meme coins. Why? Because I believe in a good diversification strategy. You need to own the blue chips. You need to own the big ones like Bitcoin or XRP, so forth, right? But I do love meme coins. And so I do own meme coins. But I am pretty much down pretty dramatically in my meme coins because of, again, the decimation the decimation that's happened, right? It's happened and it's there. And it happened because of this, because of the retail investors didn't have any, frankly, courage, and they left. And by the way, the red line right here, the red line is larger investors, whales, larger investors, institutions, they're buying. Boom. They continue to buy. Boom. Did you like that sound effect? Okay. You get my point. They're buying. They're buying through the panic and the fear and the market volatility and all that. And when the blue line comes back, which it will, a lot of that money, a lot of that capital will flow into meme coins. So again, you take a loss if you sell. If you don't have to sell, then don't. If you got to sell to pay the rent, put groceries on the table, not that you need my approval, I get it. I do. don't want you to get discouraged, and I don't want you to leave, right? And I mean, you could see this like right here, from here to there in the last 63 days, Shiba Inu's down 42%. You can see it. It's right there. That's very disheartening. It is. But it's going to come back. I'm not worried about it. It's the third biggest meme coin there is. Actually, it's bigger than that. I apologize. It was the third. It's bigger than Pepe. My apologies. I'm sorry about that. Pepe, I think, outpaced it for a little bit. Anyway, you get my point. But $9 billion. It's not going anywhere. Shiba Inu's not going anywhere. And by the way, they're putting together global deals, with the United Arab Emirates and things like this. It's amazing what the ecosystem is being, what the ecosystem is becoming and what they are evolving and changing into, right? Okay, but this is hard when you see 42 days, SHIB's down, 63 days, SHIB's down 42%. I knew I had my numbers right there. Don't do math in public, right? But I also want to show you something. Do you want a way to try to make even more money? Like from here to here, in that 40-day period, Shiba Inu went up 56%. That's my software that gave a buy alert and a sell alert right there. That's a buy alert and that's a sell alert. And in that period, right, it went up 50+% in 40 days. So $1,000 bought here, sold here, would have made you a profit of over $552. Put that profit in your bank account, because buy, sell, and then you sell and you don't take a 45% loss. Why? Because you sold and you put that money, you put that profit back in your pocket, and you wait for a buy alert to happen down here, this red box, right? Excuse me, green box. I can't talk today. This green box. You wait for a buy alert right there to happen whenever it bottoms out. And that's what the software tells you how to do. Your software runs on any iPhone, runs on any Android, runs on any computer. You can run it in multiple locations. So link in the description below. If you're on X watching this, there's a link below this video. It costs about $1 a day with a discount code, a little over $1, $1.15, $1.20, something like that. It's what it costs. And you spend more than that on a cup of coffee. So once you give it a look, and you have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. You can use it for crypto. You can use it for stocks. You get 2 for 1. If you want to track stocks, you can do this. Like, this is Apple. Look at this. From there all the way to there in 245 days, this is Apple. It's 40%. I get it. All right. So here's another one. Here's Tesla. There's Tesla chart. From like right here, buy here, sell here, 254 days, 190%. If you want to use it to track stocks, you can, and make money with the stock market. So you really get 2 for 1. You get really 2 for 1, right? And again, it costs you about $1 a day to use. 30-day, no questions asked, refund guarantee. Give it a look. Hey, because it can help you make money in this crypto market. And right now, it's hard to make money in crypto. At least telling you, knowing when to buy and when to sell, and it can help. I'll see you. Go make some money. Take care. Bye.